Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Signal app on your device. So let's start. If you're using Android then open Play Store. And if you're using iOS then open the App Store. The Signal app is available both on Play Store and App Store. Since I'm using Android, I'll open the Google Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type in Signal. This is the app Signal Private Messenger. This is a similar kind of app like WhatsApp and Telegram. You have to look out for this blue and white icon. And on the Play Store you will see the install button. You have to tap on install and the app will be downloaded and installed on your device. And if you're using iOS then tap on the download button. And that's how you can download and install the Signal app. So if this video helped you out then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.